Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be alive. We're seeing right now that the overall crypto markets are slightly down right now. We're seeing that Bitcoin is having a little bit of a reset, a little bit of a retest. So we can expect Bitcoin to be probably trading between this area between 48,000 and 46,000, probably 46,500. That's probably where we're going to see ourselves reset. We did see Bitcoin go as low as $46,573 in the house, so we're probably going to be range bound for a little bit for a couple of days. And remember, a retest is very healthy, guys. Remember, Wendy Trendy is your friendly, and sure, sometimes that Bitcoin is going to have a bit of a cooling off, but we're seeing that right now this cooling off is going to be anywhere between 48,000 and 46,500. So it's a little bit of a retest. I wouldn't panic too much in the house. Absolutely do not panic. And this is just going to set us up to be going higher and higher on shorter time frames, guys. So we're seeing that Grayscale is about to buy $205 million worth of Bitcoin, guys. And remember, none of this is financial advice. It's just OG in-house expressing his opinion, guys. And the way the crypto markets are going and things are going up, you guys could definitely be retiring much earlier than expected if crypto does go up. If Bitcoin gets to $100,000. And we're also going to talk about Shiba Inu, Robinhood. We got some huge news regarding Shiba Inu and all of the new platforms that have been added and all of the new exchanges. Also looks like top key executive for Robinhood has left. So where does that leave the Robinhood community? Where does that leave the Shiba Inu listing? Where does that leave the wallets, guys? So we're going to talk about that. Also, we got a school in Dubai that's now accepting a cryptocurrency as payments. Looks like the war in Ukraine and Russia is winding down, and it looks like Ukraine is pushing more of the Ruskies out of there. So the madman and Putin definitely gets a red card. But once the conflict in Ukraine ends, we're probably going to see that Bitcoin and all the other cryptos are going to go to the moon, guys. And Dogecoin of Luna, he's got about $1.3 billion of cash on the side, and he's looking to buy in more Bitcoin on the spot, guys. So Dogecoin, he's been buying Bitcoin on the spot exchanges, and it looks like Michael Saylor with a $205 million worth of Bitcoin, $205 million worth of cash he has right now in his preparation of buying Bitcoin. Typically, Michael Saylor buys stuff on the OTC, but I have a feeling that if he starts to follow what Do Kwon has done from Luna and starts to buy on the spot, Coinbase spot, that would definitely send Bitcoin up to the all-time highs very fast, guys. So that is great time to be alive. So we're seeing yesterday the U.S. broader markets, everything was pretty much up. Everything was up between 1 and 2%. So not too shabby. If you take a look at the pre-markets right now, the pre-markets are not looking too good, but they're less than a 15th of a percent in the red. So it's too early to say if this is going to go red or green, guys. So that is cool beans. And we can see that Russian forces driven away from Kiev as Ukraine regains territory. So it looks like Ukraine is fighting back. Ukraine is definitely pushing the Ruskies out of their territory. So hopefully this whole war will be over soon. And it looks like Turkey is also stepping in, and Turkey seems to be one of the few allies left to Russia, and they're trying to get to Ukraine and Russia to the peace table. So hopefully these peace talks will come out positive, and we'll see an end to this conflict very shortly, guys. So if we take a look at the heat map right now, we're seeing that overall the crypto markets are down, down. Like I said, I wouldn't worry too much. We're probably going to see a retest of Bitcoin between 47,000, and we should go as low as 46,600 in now, somewhere around there. If we take a look at the leverage traders right now, the leverage apes in the house, we can see that the total liquidations have come down to about just under 300 million, and that's about 76,000 traders have been wrecked right now. And we're seeing that right now in the last 24 hours. Let me just give this a refresh. It's still primarily shorts, but we can see that on the hourly, shorts are still building up. 4 hours on the 4-hour time frame, we got more long, so that could jeopardize Bitcoin's run. And that's one of the reasons we're seeing Bitcoin going down now, because we're seeing that a lot of longs are now a lot of long positions are being taken up, and that's going to force the Bitcoin price to go down, down, guys. So if you take a look at the fear and greed right now, fear and greed is at 55. It's slightly down from yesterday. Not too much to worry about. A lot of that has to do with the sentiment has gone down because Bitcoin price is going down. So I'm not too worried in the house. So if you take a look at what's going on with Shiba Inu right now, we're seeing that a ton of exchanges have added Shiba Inu in March, guys, and this is pretty bullish news for the Shiba Inu army, guys. And if we can take off a 0 or we can get to 1 cent for Shiba Inu, definitely retiring early is definitely in the cards. And we can see that if we can see Bitcoin go up to 100,000, we can see Ethereum go up to 6,000, and if we can get the Dogecoin up to $1, guys, a lot of you are going to be able to retire earlier than expected, guys. So far, there's been a streak of successes in 2022. We've got the whole Shiba Inu metaverse that's coming. We got the new burning protocol, and there's a huge announcement that's coming out tomorrow for Shiba Inu. And we're seeing a whole bunch of new exchanges that have been listed that are listing Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. So right now we got let's cue the confetti. We're happy to announce that additional 5 new coins on Netcoins Canada. So this is a big exchange in Canada started today. Now you can trade Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Decentralized, Phantom, and Polygon. So that is pretty bullish for Dogecoin and pretty bullish for Shiba Inu in the house, guys. So give a big thumbs up, guys. If you're watching, don't forget to smash the likes, subscribe, but don't forget to comment, guys. Feed the YouTube algorithm. It's a lovely time to be alive. So some other exchanges we can also see, Everrise as well has listed Shiba Inu as well in March. So that is pretty cool beans, guys. And we're getting closer and closer to April, guys. So April is going to absolutely take off. We're going to see a whole bunch of things coming for crypto space. And even though we're having a little bit of a retest, a little bit of consolidation now, still the range that we're seeing this consolidation for Bitcoin is much higher than the consolidation we had here. So we've gone out of this whole horizontal consolidation zone here, and we're up here. So it's nothing really too much to worry about. And we've got 4 days and 21 hours left in this candle, and definitely we're going to be painting a green candle. I absolutely believe it, guys. It's a huge time to be alive. So some other exchanges right now. Also, we've got Dogecoin has listed SHIB as well, and they've also got their NFT incubator, and they're also going to be adding Leash and Bone as well. So that is really bullish news, guys. And the SHIB burn also continues. So this is huge news for the Shiba army out there, guys. So this is really cool news. So Robert Kiyosaki warns US dollar is about to implode, guys. And I actually, as you guys all know, that with the inflation rate that's going on, the CPI, the US dollar is worth 8% less than it was previously. So what he's saying is that the Fed is going to continue to print more and more money, and fiat is going to be worthless in the long term. So Robert Kiyosaki is basically saying advises to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. So this is the author of the Rich Dad Poor Dad, and typically he has been talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum for a very long time, but it's the absolute first time that he's talked about Solana as well. So that is pretty positive news for Solana holders, guys. So Kiyosaki is recommending buying Bitcoin and Solana because, as we all know, Bitcoin is a huge hedge against inflation. We're not making any more. About 91% of all the Bitcoin has been mined right now, and about 11% is left on exchanges. And we're seeing that the long-term holders are going uppity up, and we're seeing more Bitcoin flowing off exchanges than ever before. So it looks like Robinhood crypto lead Christine Brown is leaving Robinhood, and she's been one of the key driving forces behind crypto at Robinhood, and also one of the key driving forces about the wallet implementation, guys. So I know a lot of you out there who are Robinhood users do have your wallets now, but still the majority don't, guys. And there's 2 reasons for that. One reason that Robinhood is slowly turning on the wallets is because they don't want everybody to leave in mass and implode and tank the stock, guys and gals. So that is one reason why it's happening slowly. And the big question is, why are they not listing Shiba Inu? This is just weird. So basically she's leaving and she's going to start our own crypto venture, guys. So that is interesting in the house. Not good for Robinhood. Robinhood is being beaten up recently a lot in the press, and a lot of the users, a lot of the community is not very happy with Robinhood because about this whole wallet and listing Shiba Inu debacle, guys. So school in Dubai starts to accept Bitcoin and Ethereum as payments. So this is pretty bullish news, guys. I mean, quite frankly, if more retailers did accept Bitcoin and Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, it would make life a lot easier out there. So that is pretty cool beans in the house. We're seeing that institutional demand and large transaction Cardano is up 50x in 2022. So that is pretty good. We're seeing that a lot more institutions are aping into Cardano, and that is one of the reasons that we're seeing the price rise for Cardano. So Cardano, in my opinion, this is not financial advice, is a very good project. It's a long-term hold, and I think that we're going to see great things coming from Cardano. So that is absolutely bullish news in the house, guys. So let's take a look at, like I said, talked about yesterday, we still have a lot of whales aping into Dogecoin like crazy. And, we can expect expect Dogecoin to be rising, and I believe that where Dogecoin is right now, Dogecoin at time of recording is at 1420, and I did tell you that we're going to see that Dogecoin is going to be pretty much range bound between 14 and 15 cents overall, and we're seeing a little bit of consolidation right now, so nothing too much to worry about. Let's take a look at Ethereum right now. Ethereum right now is at 3,380. It's come down from yesterday. Yesterday we almost hit 3,500 bucks, but since then basically Ethereum has come down from the high here, and it's come down almost about 5% from yesterday's high of almost 3,500 bucks. So a lot of that has to do with that Bitcoin has taken a little bit of a breather right now, and that's pretty normal. That's absolutely pretty normal. And one of the reasons we're seeing Ethereum going down is because Bitcoin is going down, and Bitcoin is going down on the short-term time frame, mainly because of the fact that we're seeing more long positions are being accumulated by leverage traders. So that's putting some downward pressure on Biddy. But if Dogecoin buys $1 billion worth of Bitcoin on the spot, and Michael Saylor does that with $205 million in cash, we're going to see absolutely the Bitcoin price go to the moon. And when it goes to the moon, a lot of other altcoins are going to start to go crazy, guys. And once the cryptocurrency goes nuts, guys, a lot of you are going to have more cash than you ever dreamed of before, and retirement early is absolutely in the cards, guys. So we're seeing that right now. Solana's at 110 bucks right now, and not looking too bad. We have resistance 126, so we're just keeping on. And Solana is a very fine and cool project, definitely something that you want to be having your portfolio. Remember, this is not financial advice. Phantom is also looking not too bad right now. It's a $1.40. It's down about 5 cents from where it was yesterday, and it's fallen out of my upward sloping triangle, so that is not good. But we do have some huge support for a Phantom at $1.34, guys. So let's take a look at the total market cap right now. The total market is 2.16 trillion, and the volumes have gone down from where they were yesterday at 78.92 billion. But the volumes are still pretty good compared to where they were last week when we were still in the 48 or 50 billion area. Bitcoin dominance is still pretty much consistent at 41.5, and right now we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is down almost 0.5% at 47,244. We're seeing that Ethereum right now is down slightly at 33.75. We're seeing BNB is still above $430, and that's slightly down. We're seeing Luna Tuna is up 3.6%, and Luna Tuna had an all-time high of 109.68 only hours ago, and right now we're at 106.95. So Luna Tuna is exploding to the moon, guys. And we're seeing right now ADA is down 1%, 1.18. We're seeing Solana is up almost 1%. Dot is down, and the Doja Warrior is down by 2.59%, and Shiba Inu is also down about almost 1% at 0.27, guys. So that brings this video to a close. It's just a short update, guys. So keep an eye on it. We're seeing a lot of catalysts for Shiba Inu. We're seeing a lot of catalysts for Dogecoin. We're seeing a lot of positivity out there. So guys, do not worry. We're going to see a bit of a retest, a bit of consolidation right now. So that is nothing to worry about, guys. So go and follow me on my Twitter. Follow, guys. Don't forget to go down there, smash the like, subscribe, comment like never before. It's a great time to be alive, guys. Don't forget to check out all the links, guys. Get the links. You want the links, I want the links. And get the merch. You want the merch. Get the mug, get the cup. And you guys and gals, be blessed. Absolutely be blessed out there. It is a wonderful time to be alive. We're seeing that, like I said, a little bit of a retest, but we're seeing a lot of positive catalysts with Michael Saylor out there, MicroStrategy, Dogecoin with $1.3 billion on the sidelines, waiting to ape into crypto and buy Bitcoin on the spot exchange. And if that happens, we're going to see all-time highs coming in for Bitcoin soon. We're seeing a lot of catalysts for Shiba Inu, and if we can knock off 2 or 3 more zeros on Shiba Inu, then people are going to be able to retire early, guys. Early. Get ready, guys. Get absolutely ready. The crypto revolution has just started, guys. It is a great time to be alive. God bless each and everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Woo!